Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Security. Then scroll down again, click on Face Unlock, and enter your current login method. Following that, click on Face Unlock over here. Read all of the disclaimers and instructions. Hit More at the bottom right corner, and then I agree also at the bottom right corner. When you're ready, hit Start, keep your face in frame and make sure to follow all of the instructions from your screen. Finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!